If you want to get to the front buttons, speaker, power button and neck strap hook, you need to remove the breakout board. Unscrew the multi-protocol module. The top two screws hold the speaker underneath. I am removing everything, because I will show you many different mods. Remove the 4 screws from the corners of the breakout board. To remove the board completely, you will have to unplug all the connectors at the top and bottom. Remove the pot board too, if you want a bit more space. Remove the ribbon cable very carefully and push on the sides of the gimbals to help release the breakout board. If your radio does not have a light bleed separator, check the links below for a 3D printed version. In the middle of the board are the power button and multicolor LED. At the top are the 6 buttons, each with an LED above it. Remove the power button pieces if you want to replace or paint them. The front speaker is muffled by the plastic shell. Most of the holes you see don't go all the way through, but you can open them with a small hand drill. Place the drill bit in the blind holes and drill them out one by one. If you like what you see, subscribe and support the channel. You can find out how in the description below. Cut the zip tie and unplug the antenna from the multi-protocol module. Pinch the retainer clips to release and remove the antenna. Check the video description for pigtails, high-gain antennas and PCB antennas. Compress the Grover and spring washer so that the pigtail fits snug inside the antenna holder. If it is not tight enough, you can use adhesive and the 3D printed adapter linked below. You can secure the pigtail from popping in by screwing a 3D printed holder. Move the coaxial cable around the front of the multi-protocol module and add a zip tie if necessary. I tried painting the bottom of the illumination bar with a permanent marker. I tried painting the front of the illumination bar, which does not require disassembly to do. For the best results, unscrew the illuminative piece and paint its face and sides. Check for missed spots with a flashlight. You can still see a bit of light for troubleshooting. While you are here, you can tighten, rotate or remove the neck strap hook. Stick the speaker to the back of the breakout board with a piece of double-sided tape. Add the screws, just in case, and the power button. Move the ribbon cable out of the way, and reinstall the board. Push the sides of the gimbals to make room, and guide the trim switches through their holes. Reconnect the ribbon cable. Lifting the front of the board helps. Secure with the 4 screws, one on each corner. Install the multi-protocol module and screw its top side onto the speaker holes. Use the long screws for the bottom of the module. Plug all the connectors at the top and bottom of the breakout board. Reinstall and reconnect the pot board. Watch part 1 for my pot knob mods. For sneak peeks and behind-the-scenes stuff, consider becoming a patron. You can find more info in the video description. Reinstall and reconnect the USB board. Add the antenna holder at the top. I temporarily stuck the PCB antenna on the antenna holder until I decide if I will make it permanent. Subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss videos like this one. Also check the video description for parts 1 and 3 for other mods, disassembly and reassembly of the radio. You will also find my playlist for the TX16S with many ideas and useful tips. Consider supporting the channel and my efforts any way you like. You can tip my piggy bank, join my Patreon, or shop using the links below. Every little bit helps a lot.